Imagine a place with no traffic, just the gentle lapping of water and the hum of an electric boat. This is GIETHOORN, a Dutch village where canals are the main streets and wooden bridges arch gracefully overhead. Arriving here feels like stepping into another world: clean air, quiet and lush gardens. The charm of GIETHOORN is immediate and lasting. Life here flows as gently as the canals themselves, waiting for you to discover its magic. GIETHOORN sits in the heart of Weerribbenweiden National Park, surrounded by lakes, reed beds and forests. The village is so intertwined with water that it's earned the nickname Venice of the North. But here, nature and tranquility take center stage. Over 170 wooden bridges cross the canals, each offering a new, picturesque view. From these bridges you watch punter boats and silent electric whisper boats glide by, creating a gentle parade of life on the water. Ducks swim freely, and the air is filled with the sounds of nature, not engines. The lack of cars means cleaner air and a peaceful atmosphere. The canals are the village's lifeblood. Mail, garbage, and even emergencies are handled by boat. This reliance on water has shaped a culture of resourcefulness and respect for the environment. The canals aren't just for show, they're the foundation of daily life. In GIETHOORN, the water is both street and story, connecting everyone and everything. The village thrives by adapting to its landscape, turning challenges into a unique way of life. Here, every bridge and boat is a reminder of how people and nature can thrive together. It's a living example of harmony, where the water is both home and highway, and it's a world you have to see to believe. GIETHOORN's story is as unique as its canals. Founded around 1230, its name comes from goat horns found after a great flood. Geitenhoorn became GIETHOORN. Villagers dug canals to extract peat, shaping the landscape into the beautiful waterways and islands we see today. The iconic thatched roof farmhouses and historic bridges are a direct link to the past. GIETHOORN's beauty is born from its history, a place where the past is still alive, inviting you to explore. The best way to experience GIETHOORN is from the water. Rent a whisper boat, an easy-to-steer electric vessel that lets you glide silently through the canals. Being your own captain gives you freedom to explore at your own pace, from main routes to hidden waterways. Navigating under low wooden bridges is part of the fun. Sometimes you'll even have to duck. You'll pass cozy waterside cafes, gardens, and ducks hoping for a treat. This hands-on journey connects you to the village's rhythm. You're not just observing, you're participating in daily life.
Driving our own boat was the highlight of our trip. We felt like part of the village, not just visitors.
Renting a boat is more than a tourist activity. It's an immersion into local culture. You learn to steer, navigate, and respect the unwritten rules of the water. It's a gentle adventure that calms the mind and delights the senses. This is what makes GIETHOORN unforgettable. A place where you don't just see the village, you become part of it. And every moment on the water is a memory in the making. Boating is magical, but exploring GIETHOORN on foot or by bike reveals even more. Narrow footpaths and 176 wooden bridges offer enchanting views and endless photo opportunities.
Walking lets you slow down, pause on bridges, and admire gardens bursting with color. The main path, Binnenpad, winds through the oldest part of the village, accessible only on foot. Here, you can see thatched roof farmhouses up close and enjoy the quiet atmosphere.
For a broader adventure, rent a bike and explore the surrounding national park. Cycle through wetlands, past lakes, and into dense reed beds, experiencing the landscape that shaped GIETHOORN.
Mixing boating, walking, and cycling gives you the full GIETHOORN experience. Spend the morning on the water, the afternoon strolling, and the next day biking through nature.
Every mode of travel offers a new perspective and a deeper connection to the village. Whether by boat, foot, or bike, you're always surrounded by beauty. GIETHOORN encourages you to explore, be active, and connect with the stunning Dutch landscape, and every path leads to a new discovery. Exploring GIETHOORN works up an appetite, and the village's cafes and restaurants are ready to satisfy. Many sit right on the water, offering meals with a view of drifting boats and twinkling lights.
Imagine sipping coffee on a sunny terrace or enjoying a romantic dinner as the sun sets over the canals.
Local cuisine features fresh fish from nearby lakes. Smoked eel and fried perch are regional favorites. Dutch pancakes or pannenkoeken come sweet or savory and are a must-try after a day of exploring. For a treat, try traditional apple pie or a caramel-filled stroopwafel with your coffee.
Many cafes serve hearty soups and sandwiches, perfect for a light lunch.
Some restaurants even have private docks. Arrive by boat, tie up, and step right onto the terrace. Whether you want fine dining or a simple snack, you'll find it here.
The combination of good food, friendly service, and beautiful scenery makes every meal memorable.
Dining in GIETHOORN is more than eating, it's part of the adventure. Every bite is a taste of Dutch tradition enjoyed in a setting you'll never forget. GIETHOORN'S shops are as charming as its canals. Instead of typical souvenirs, you'll find artisan boutiques in historic buildings.
Shopping here is relaxed. Wander from shop to shop, discovering unique crafts and local goods.
Look for hand-painted pottery, intricate woodwork, and items made from local reeds. The Shell Gallery is a highlight, with art made from shells and stones from around the world. Classic Dutch souvenirs like wooden clogs and Delft blue pottery are also available.
Many shops sell local delicacies, cheese and stroopwafels to take home.
Shopping in GIETHOORN is about connecting with local culture and supporting small businesses.
I bought a hand-painted tile from a canal-side shop. The artist told me its story, making it a memory, not just a souvenir.
In GIETHOORN, every treasure has a story, and every purchase is a piece of the village to take home. It's shopping that creates memories, not just transactions. GIETHOORN's charm changes with the seasons, each offering its own magic. Spring brings gardens bursting with tulips and daffodils, and the village comes alive with color. Summer is perfect for boating, long sunny days and lively terraces filled with visitors. Autumn transforms the village into a canvas of gold, orange, and red reflected in the calm canals. Crisp air and morning mist create a romantic, peaceful atmosphere. Winter, if cold enough, freezes the canals. Boats give way to ice skates, and the village becomes a festive wonderland. Thatched roofs dusted with snow look straight out of a Christmas card. Each season offers a unique reason to visit. Lively summer, romantic autumn, peaceful winter, or blooming spring.
I love watching the village change. Summer is for sharing, but winter feels like it's just for us.
There's no single best time to visit. Every season reveals a new side of GIETHOORN. Whether you seek energy or tranquility, the village welcomes you year-round. The changing landscape is part of its timeless appeal. GIETHOORN is always beautiful, just in different ways. Come once, and you'll want to return to see it in every season. The magic never fades, it only changes. The true magic of GIETHOORN is best told by those who've experienced it.
We felt like we'd entered a fairy tale. Drifting silently in our boat was the most romantic experience of our lives.
Our kids loved being captains of our whisper boat. We were active, together, and surrounded by beauty.
GIETHOORN engages all ages, creating memories for families and couples alike.
Everywhere you look is a perfect photograph. The light, the reflections, the flowers, the bridges.
The village's beauty is more than visual. It calms the soul and invites you to slow down.
You arrive and immediately relax. It's not just a vacation, it's therapy.
These voices reveal a shared truth. GIETHOORN is more than a pretty place. It's an experience that touches people deeply, offering a rare chance to disconnect from stress and reconnect with simplicity. The village's universal appeal is in its ability to make everyone feel at home. In GIETHOORN, you don't just visit, you belong, if only for a while, and that feeling stays with you long after you leave. GIETHOORN's beauty is precious, and protecting it is a shared responsibility. As tourism grows, the village balances welcoming visitors with preserving its peace and authenticity. Electric whisper boats and a focus on walking and cycling keep the air clean and the atmosphere tranquil. The village is part of Weeribben National Park, with strict rules to protect its fragile ecosystem. Reed beds purify water and provide habitats for birds, keeping the canals healthy. Visitors are encouraged to respect residents' privacy, keep noise down, and leave no trace. Local businesses promote sustainable practices and local products. By working together, everyone helps keep GIETHOORN pristine for future generations. The future of this watery paradise depends on mindful tourism and community care. Protecting GIETHOORN means preserving a rare harmony between people and nature. GIETHOORN is more than a destination. It's an invitation to slow down and rediscover wonder. Here, the journey itself is the main event, gliding through canals, surrounded by history and nature. You'll remember the thatched roofs reflected in the water, the taste of Dutch pancakes, and above all, the quiet. The village offers a rare gift, peace. Whether you visit in summer's energy or winter's calm, GIETHOORN promises inspiration and lasting memories. As a guest, embrace its spirit, travel gently, respect its heritage, and help protect its beauty. The world needs places like GIETHOORN, where harmony with nature is a way of life. Your journey to this watery wonderland awaits. Don't just dream about it, Come and experience the magic for yourself. In GIETHOORN, you're not just a tourist, you become part of its story, and that story is one you'll cherish forever.